Hi there! Hola! Today we're going to talk about the saying Pasarse 3 pueblos. I couldn't find the origins of this expression, so if you know it, please do share in the comment section. Gracias. Comenzamos. Pasarse 3 pueblos means to go too far. Ir demasiado lejos. An example would be if someone makes a joke that is a bit too inappropriate, then you can tell that person, con ese chiste te has pasado 3 pueblos. Not cool. Un ejemplo. Estás en una reunión familiar y alguien te viene a hablar. Hola, veo que has cogido un poco de peso. No tomes postre, mejor no tomes postre. After being in shock for a couple of minutes, someone comes in, usually to defend your honor, and that other person usually says, te has pasado 3 pueblos. Puedes pasarte 3 pueblos con gente o con cosas. Por ejemplo, si te sirves mucha comida en el plato y no dejas comida para los demás, la gente te puede decir, te has pasado 3 pueblos. Also, if you're exaggerating, people can use this expression too. So, let's say you went to an Italian restaurant last week and you loved it. And there's a friend of yours that doesn't agree with you. No. El restaurante italiano nuevo es súper caro. Cuesta 100 euros por persona, mínimo. And you that have been to the restaurant, you can tell that person, pero ¿qué dices? Cuesta máximo 40 euros por persona. Te has pasado 3 pueblos. Alright, so that's it for today. I hope you learned something today. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you very soon in the next video. Ciao.